friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth earbud to our Poco phone. Friends, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth earbud to your Poco phone. So how can you unpair today? I will show you in this video guys. How can we unpair guys Bluetooth earbuds? So first of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Hence you can see guys your phone Poco phone Bluetooth setting guys. Click on Bluetooth setting. Hence right side arrow tap here. Hence you can see guys your unpair option, and guys you can see use for. Guys you want to off guys your phone call settings, so you can off from here. And guys you want to off your video call, you can off and on from here guys. If you want to off, you can off your both of setting and you can on from here. And guys you can see unpair option guys, tap on unpair. After unpair guys, we cannot use guys. If we use, so guys we will have to pair again. Then guys we can use our Bluetooth earbud with our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earbud. Bye guys. Thanks for watching the video guys.